Creating additional income streams can be a great way to build financial security and increase your earning potential. Here are some ideas across different areas that you can consider, depending on your interests, skills, and available time. Freelancing and consulting, skills to offer. Writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, video editing, project management, or any other expertise you have. Platforms to use: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal, LinkedIn. How to get started. Create a portfolio, network, and pitch your services on freelancing websites or directly to businesses. Online courses and coaching, skills to offer. Teach what you're knowledgeable about, whether it's a language, a technical skill, or something creative. Platforms to use: Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, Coursera, or even YouTube. How to get started. Create structured, valuable content and market it through social media, blogs, or collaborations with influencers in your niche. Investing in the stock market. What to do. Start investing in individual stocks, index funds, or ETFs to build long-term wealth. Platforms to use: Robinhood, E*Trade, Vanguard, or Fidelity. How to get started. Learn the basics of investing and risk management, then start small with your investments. Consider dividend-paying stocks for regular income. Real estate investment. What to do. Invest in rental properties, REITs, or even start a property management business. Platforms to use: Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or a local real estate agency. How to get started. You can start by purchasing properties with the potential for passive income or explore REITs for lower capital requirements. Affiliate marketing. What to do. Promote products or services on your website, blog, or social media and earn commissions from sales. Platforms to use: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, Rakuten Marketing. How to get started. Build an online presence, choose a niche, and promote relevant products through affiliate links. Dropshipping or e-commerce. What to do. Start an online store with products that you don't have to manage or store yourself. Platforms to use: Shopify, WooCommerce, Oberlo for dropshipping, Etsy for handmade goods. How to get started. Research a niche market, source suppliers, create an online store, and drive traffic via ads or social media marketing. So let's talk about passive income from digital products. What can you do? Well, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, printables, templates, photography, music, or digital artwork. Now, where can you sell these? Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even your own website are great options. How do you get started? Focus on solving a specific problem or niche and create valuable products that people will want to buy. Next up, creating a YouTube channel or a blog. What should you do? Simply share your passions, skills, or knowledge through content creation. How do you get started? Build a brand and audience by posting regular, valuable content. And how can you monetize this? Through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your products. Finally, let's discuss creating an app or software. What can you do? If you have programming skills, you can create a mobile or web app that provides value to users. How do you get started? Think of a problem that needs solving, create an MVP or minimum viable product, and then monetize through subscriptions, ads, or paid features. Print on demand. What to do? Design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or posters and sell them online without handling inventory. Platforms to use: Printful, Teespring, Redbubble. How to get started? Set up a store, upload designs, and promote through social media or digital marketing. Peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding. What to do? Lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest, or invest in a crowdfunding project. Platforms to use: Lending Club, Prosper, Kickstarter, GoFundMe. How to get started? Research the platforms, understand the risks, and start with small investments. Rent out your assets. What to do? Rent out things like your car, camera equipment, or even unused space in your home. Platforms to use: Turo for cars, Airbnb for rooms or properties, Fat Llama for equipment rental. How to get started: identify assets you can rent out and list them on the relevant platform. Sell handmade or vintage goods. What to do? If you're crafty, create and sell handmade items or vintage goods. Platforms to use: Etsy, eBay, or a local marketplace. How to get started: set up a shop, take great product photos, and market through social media or SEO techniques. Write a book or ebook. What to do? If you enjoy writing, consider writing and self-publishing a book or ebook. Platforms to use: Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP, and Smashwords. How to get started: write your book, edit it, and publish it on self-publishing platforms. Market your book using social media, email lists, or through influencers. Sell photos or videos. What to do? If you're a photographer or videographer, you can sell your photos and videos to stock websites. Platforms to use: Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. How to get started: upload your high-quality photos and videos to these platforms and earn royalties every time they are downloaded. Create a subscription service. What to do? If you have a product or service that people want to receive regularly, consider creating a subscription model. Platforms to use: Patreon, Substack, or even your own website. How to get started: offer valuable content or services that people will want to subscribe to on a monthly or yearly basis. Network marketing. What to do? Join a multi-level marketing company to sell products and recruit others to do the same. Platforms to use: many MLM companies have their own platforms for managing sales and recruitment. How to get started: choose a reputable MLM company, learn the products, and build a network. Key tips for success: diversify. It's often a good idea to have multiple income streams to reduce reliance on any one source. Start small. Begin with a manageable project and scale up over time. Consistency is key. Whether it's blogging, creating YouTube content, or investing, long-term effort tends to yield the best results. Leverage your strengths. Choose income streams that align with your skills, interests, and available time to avoid burnout. Reinvest. Use profits from one income stream to fund and grow others. Do any of these ideas stand out to you or sound like something you'd like to explore further? Please leave a comment below.